Hannah. I do my PhD with the Department of Law and Criminology at the moment. I'm originally from a town called Herten in Germany, and the topic of my PhD is on the factors influencing the criminalization of war, rape and forced marriage under international law. I did a master's before. I did actually my undergrads in European studies and my master's in conflict studies. So Britain is great for me because it is possible to go into law now without having a law background. I think we have a really strong and really dynamic postgrad community here, actually. From the very first week I came here, we have university-wide research training, so every postgrad, every PhD or research masters, we all come together, we have modules together, so it is really nice and interdisciplinary, and from seeing each other every week, it leads on to social things as well. I chose this university partly, or I looked at universities in Wales because I like Wales and I wanted to stay here and study here. But I think more importantly it is that you have a good supervisor. It's really, really important. I have joint supervision, so Richard Piotrovich is one of the supervisors and Chris Harding is the other one. We discuss the work I've been doing over the last, 2 weeks, a month, and we also talk about where I might go next and set new kind of informal deadlines for my work. Whenever I write something, I email it to them and they give me written feedback. I am in touch with people in the Interpol, International Politics Department, but on an informal basis. But everyone is really happy to help. I just tell them what I do and that I would like to talk about it with them, and they're always there, the door is always open, so I can give them a knock. I learned so much when it comes to giving presentations. I'm more confident in communication. I have to teach as well, which is a brilliant experience. One thing that is really important here is that the support system is so strong. Whenever there's any kind of problem, there's always people you can talk to, and also the range of research interests within the staff, or members of staff, is really wide. I think it is a brilliant place to spend 3 years or even more. It is a nice size of a town, even though it might seem to be really small, but the advantage is you can walk everywhere, you meet people on the streets. If you meet people once, you meet them again, so it's really easy to make friends here. I think for me it was absolutely the right decision. For me it's brilliant. I really like the place. I like to live here, I like to work here and within the department. I was welcomed in a really supportive and warm way, and I can only recommend it, really.